So I have gotten my copy of the lawsuit against Ned and Chukwuemeka Akpabio and the Senate Committee on State Creation, because we want to know how they came into the conclusion of creating Anioma State and sealing it to the southeastern region. The Anioma State creation process has not been transparent. That is a fact. It has not been transparent. There have been a lot of meddlesome interlopers. There have been a lot of influence from the southeastern region surrounding the creation of Anioma State. Like I said before, I don't have anything against the creation of Anioma State. And a whole lot of people from Delta North or the South region don't have anything against the creation of Anioma State, because we believe that the people of Delta North deserve to be represented. They deserve to be governed properly by their own people. But the only bone of contention is creating a state in the South region and annexing it to the southeastern region to compensate the southeastern region. It is insulting for you to say that you want to create a state to compensate a particular ethnic group. You want to use a particular ethnic group, a particular tribe, to compensate another tribe. It is very insulting. This is the highest form of insult I have ever seen in my life. It is very demeaning for the Ika, Agbo, Oshimili, Ndokwa people. You look those people in the eye and say that you want to use them as a compensation package. And meanwhile, they've also instituted a formal recall process of Ned Nwoko from the Senate. So I am asking all patriotic Delta North sons and daughters from Ika, Agbo, Okwani, Ndokwa to make sure that they go in there and also sign and include their signatures in that petition to recall Ned from the Senate. It's very important. No true Anioma son should stay back from this particular process. If you love your identity and your existence, Ned must be recalled from the Senate. If Ned Nwoko wants to represent Igbo people, he should migrate to the southeastern region, Anambra, Imo State, Enugu State. Go and contest as a senator over there and replace them over there. He cannot come and sit down in Delta North to replace the Delta North people, and then he's there pushing the interest of the southeastern people. You guys need to mobilize for a serious protest in Delta North. This is an insult, very big insult.
You all have heard what that boy said. He said that the agitation for Anioma State is being sponsored by the Igbos in the southeast. Anioma State is being sponsored by we Anioma people. Anioma State is being sponsored by Okwane people. It's being sponsored by Ika people. It's being sponsored by Oshimiri and Aniocha people. During the public hearing, Anioma people went to represent in Uyo and in Enugu State. Kings from Anioma land were there speaking up for Anioma people. Those kings that made those speech in Enugu State and in Uyo in that public hearing, are they from the southeast? No, they are kings from Anioma land. During the summit for the creation of Anioma State in Asaba, it was held in Grand Hotel. Kings from Ukwane land, kings from Ika land, kings from Oshimiri and Aniocha land were present in that summit. Look at the pictures here. Are those kings from the southeast? No, they are from Anioma land here. Those kings are in full support for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. We, the Igbo Unification Movement, with Ndinasobia Socio-Cultural Organization, wrote the memorandum for the creation of Anioma State. In that memorandum for Anioma State that we submitted to Senator Ned Nwoko, we wrote in that memorandum that the Igbos indigenous in Edo State should be carved out from Edo State, that they should be added to Anioma State. Senator Ned Nwoko told us that he loved that idea and that he will work towards it and make sure that Anioma State becomes a reality. In that memorandum, we wrote that Anioma State should be zoned to the southeast. That is where we want to be. Now we write down, and that is why we are here online debunking every attacks that is coming against Anioma State. No be Southeast people tell us say make una fight for Anioma State, make una join Southeast. No, now we Anioma people. Now we write that proposal give Senator Ned Nwoko. We wrote that proposal to Senator Ned Nwoko 3 months before he came out and said that he wants Anioma State. And someone that is not even an Igbo person is online crying. This boy is from Cross River State. So online backing cannot solve anything. You are not an Igbo person. You are from Cross River State. And you they cry more than Anioma people. You go cry, no worry. You go cry. All those people where they say you are not an Igbo person. You are not even from Anioma. And you they cry. Say Anioma State won't go satisfy. You must surely cry. You wanna go cry. He said that it is insulting to create Anioma State in the South region to compensate the Southeast. He said that Ika, Okwani, and Oshimili people are a separate tribe, and it's an insult to use them to compensate the Southeast that is another tribe. Anioma people are Igbo people. He said that Ika people are a separate tribe, Oshimili people are a separate tribe, Anyocha people are a separate tribe, Okwani people are a separate tribe. It's a lie. Okwani people, Ika people, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people are one single people. That name Okwani is used to recognize a people that speak the same dialects. Ika is used to recognize a people that speak the same dialects. Oshimiri and Anyocha people, the same thing. All those dialects all together is called Igbo language. So how are they now a separate people from the Southeast? You from Cross River, come on, they talk rubbish. You they cry blood for Anioma people matter. Ozwai. These boys are Ozwai. If you check the population of those people that are championing Igbo unification, they are not from the Southeast. They are from the South, indigenous Igbos in the South. Why are these tribes that are not Igbo people angry? Also, where they will cry, but you go tell them. Anioma people are 98% Igbo people. We will never allow the 2% that are not Igbo people amongst us to determine for we Anioma people where we should be. Ika, Okwani, Oshimiri, and Anyocha people are not a separate tribe from the Southeast. We all are Igbo people. Go to Cross River State, Akwa Ibom State. All those tribes where they Efik, Ibibio, they're not like themselves. Instead of him to focus on their own issue, they also come online, they talk about Anioma. Look at the map of Nigeria. The South and the Southeast is Eastern region. It's only in Nigeria that they have a place called South. In the past, all this place is Eastern region. River State in the past is Eastern region. Akwa Ibom, Cross River, they are all Eastern region. But today, they are called South. The reason why Delta people and Edo people are not part of Eastern region in the past is because they start to divide Igbo nation since the creation of Nigeria. As they just create Nigeria, they separate Anioma people from their brothers in the Southeast. They carry Anioma people add for Western region. Anioma people are not supposed to be in Western region in the past. Now politics where they play. This land where Anioma people dey now, for the map of Nigeria, is in the region of Eastern Nigeria. This place where Anioma dey now na Southeast. If you know geography, Edo State or Delta States, River States, Bayelsa States, all of us na Southeast. South is being used as a political tool to separate the people. So, now they feel say Anioma people are in the South, they cannot join Southeast if they get Anioma State. That is just nonsense talk. Now you talk be that. If you know geography, check the map. Delta State is Eastern region. There's nothing like South. Man, this was why from Akwa Ibom or Cross River come online they back. If we Anioma people can leave Western region and join Midwestern region, we left that Midwestern region and join South. Waiting they make una dey feel say we not go fit leave that South, join Southeast. No, those people should say, Anioma people are not supposed to be in the South. Let them go back to Western region. That is where they belong. Those set of Anioma people that said that they don't want to join the Southeast. Make una dey agitate say una wan go join Western region now. Wetin una dey South they do? Are you people in South before? No. Agitate that you want to join Western region. That word compensates. That you people are hearing that they should use Anioma State to compensate the Southeast. What they mean is that Anioma State is an Igbo state. And that we need Anioma State to balance the Southeast because they are Igbo people and they are expected to be with their Southeast brothers. That is the compensate that they are talking about. Anioma people not be Yoruba speaking people, not be Sekiri speaking people, not be Jos speaking people, not be Yoruba speaking people, not be Hausa speaking people. If to say the language of Anioma not be Igbo language, now that time we go to say joining them to the Southeast is wrong. But this one we say they are Igbo speaking people, so the right place for Anioma people to be is the Southeast. He said that court injunction have been put in place for them to know how they came into conclusion to create Anioma and zone it to the Southeast. If they like me they go court, nothing will happen. Because you just they go court to prove nothing. Majority of Ika people are proud of their Igbo identity. Majority of Okwane people are proud of their Igbo identity. Same with Oshimiri and Anocha people. So all those people who want go court, they talk rubbish, they are just wasting their time. Stop wasting your money and resources for a fight that you have already lost. The South already have 6 states. So now one make the create Anioma State, make them still put Anioma State for South. Make South can't get 7 states. Make South just get only 5 states. We know those politicians from Anioma land that are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. Those politicians are failed politicians who did nothing for their people. The thing where Senator Ned Nwoko they do now, they pain them. If they hurt them, say, if Senator Ned get this Anioma State, say Senator Ned Nwoko will be seen as the father of Anioma State. So if they pain those idiots, that's why they are busy fighting Senator Ned Nwoko. They write petition, they can and they go court, but they will fail. Creating Anioma State and keeping it in the South is not possible. The South already have 6 states. And that one alone is an edge over you people. Anybody where they write petition against Senator Ned Nwoko, you want to remove Senator, you are wasting your time. It will never work. And if you look at it now, those set of Okwane people where they support all those petitions, all those are now failures where we get for Okwane land. We call them never do well. If you come the community of this set of Okwane people where they support those petitions against Senator Ned Nwoko, you go see say their community no get light, no development, no hospital, nothing, no federal and state university, no polytechnic, no college of education, no road, no lights. Nothing there their community, but they are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko that wants to give them a state that will give them their own senator, a state that will give them their own representatives. Say the one zone Anioma State to the Southeast, now make those set of Okwane people where no one gets sense, they support petition against Senator Ned Nwoko. Those set of Okwane people are fully set of Okwane people. The problem of Okwane land today, now Okwane people, not be federal government. The way some of our Okwane people reason is very dangerous. Your community migrate from Southeast, you come out today, they talk say, "Una not be Igbo people." You dey South, you dey complain say they marginalize you for South. You want get Anioma State, make you still remain for that South where they marginalize you. Person where they marginalize you when on the same states. Now if you can't get your separate state, now they're not going to marginalize you. Those set of Okwane people that don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the Southeast, nobody say they get better reason. No, they don't even have a tangible reason. They will tell you one stupid reason. Southeast people too like money. We and they not be the same. We not get the same culture with them. We not speak the same language with them. All those reasons. People with no one reason. Majority of Okwane people are in support of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. So we don't go allow those ones who don't get sense for Okwane land to keep us for South. You go see some people for Ika, Oshimiri, and they say, "Hey, we not be Igbo people. Southeast people just want us because of our resources." As if Ika, Oshimiri, and Anacha have crude oil. If Anioma State is being actualized, now resources where they Okwane land will take the power Anioma State. He said that if Ika, Oshimiri, Anyocha, and Okwane people love their identity and existence, that they should include their signatures and remove Senator Ned Nwoko from the Senate. Nothing will happen. I'm giving you people assurance that if una like, make una write all una signatures, una ancestors' signature, nothing will happen. You can't remove Senator Ned Nwoko from the Senate. That have been the plan of those people that are fighting Senator Ned Nwoko and the agitation of Anioma State. Ikwa was like, it was almighty na kwande madi, Shinakwa was like, oh yeah, brand new Gucci was why, Nganakwa was why, oh yeah, brand now fighting Anioma State was why, Kobo. Onya Gucci. Anioma State is the future of our unborn children. And we will make sure that we get that Anioma State. No power from Anioma, no power. Nobody can stop it. If we embrace our Igbo identity, we are still Okwane people. If we embrace our Igbo identity, we are still Oshimiri and Anyocha people. We are still the Ika people if we embrace our Igbo identity. Joining us to Southeast will not wipe away our Okwane identity. Nsoka people are in the Southeast, they still speak their dialects Nsoka. Abreba people are in the Southeast, they still speak their dialect Abreba. Olo people are there, they still speak Olo. Afipo people are there, they still speak Afipo. They still speak Abakaliki. So, which of them are complaining that their dialects and identity have been wiped out in the Southeast? All these things are lies where they separate Anioma people from their Southeast brothers. We are here to break those barriers. We are here to break those propagandas. We are here to break those lies. It will never fly. Using cheap propaganda to deceive Anioma people not to embrace the Southeast. If Anioma people join the Southeast, our dialects are still intact. Nobody will come change our dialect for us. Our identity is intact. Nobody will come and change it. We are Anioma people, we are Igbo people. So anyone that is trying to scare us is wasting his time. Anioma people should mobilize a serious protest against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast. If una like, oh, make una protest, oh. If una like, oh, make una not protest, oh. If una like, make una day for Twitter live, TikTok live, the back, the rants, organize protests, fight Anioma State from thy kingdom come. Anioma State will still be actualized and zoned to the Southeast. You people are just fighting a lost battle. You can't stop Anioma State with protest. You want protest for federal government to give South an additional state to make it 7 states. It's not possible. Time where you go find what you go chop, you take and they go protest. What are you protesting against? You are protesting against the zoning of Anioma State to the Southeast. Anioma State where it be say, now we Anioma people be the problem where Igbo nation they face today. British hate Igbo nation now because of Anioma people. Northerners, Yoruba people, and other tribes in Nigeria were killing Igbo people. Now because of Nzogo, who is from Anioma. So anybody who want to go protest against Anioma State, the person they wasting time. Your protest is fruitless because South can never have 7 states. Anioma State must be actualized and zoned to the Southeast. Congratulations to Senator Ned Nwoko. Congratulations to the Igbo Unification Movement. Congratulations to Ned Nwoko Socio-Cultural Organization. Congratulations to Igbo Nation. We are winning. Anioma State is a go and there's nothing anyone can do about it. Ishiagwale.